So how are you doing on? I mean, I got this right here. It's the ride like a pro thing. I remember
Oh
you
yeah.
did that. You did that.
Uh-huh.
How
Uh-huh.
did how was that? You sat on a big motorcycle and you were doing
Yeah.
figure eights and U turns like a pro. Like how did that
Thank
feel?
you.
No, I was really
It
impressed.
felt Thank you. It felt so amazing and I couldn't believe I could do it. But yeah, just like when especially when I was with Jerry, his the way he gives feedback is just like clicks for me really well. So
Okay.
when I was getting it from him in real time, it helped so much more than just like when I was trying to watch his videos. Um, but yeah, that was I really didn't believe I'd be able to do that.
Hmm.
Um, and the trick is though is to keep practicing um and I haven't been practicing last year
Hmm.
as of like pretty much almost all last year. So I don't know how I'm at right now. I'm really where to try. But I got really like I don't know what it was, but for some reason on my bike, I wasn't able to do all those exercises accurately.
Hmm.
I was able to get it on my Suzuki S40 Boulevard. I was able to get it on his Harley Sportster. I was able to get it on his Electric Glide. But something with my bike, I think I just got so nervous of dropping it for some reason.
Hmm. Just your
Like,
bike though, not the big ass
yeah,
bike. You weren't nervous about
yeah,
that?
not because he had like wide crash
Oh,
guards, and I
okay.
was like, and I just kept thinking, I don't have wide crash guards, and I've already broken the clutch lever like four
Oh
times.
no.
It's still broken right now. I'm like, I'm not gonna fix it until I like
Yeah.
later, maybe later. Um, but yeah, I could feel myself like in class. I could hear the instructor say, "Turn the handlebars more," and I'd say, "Okay," and then I could feel my body not doing it.
Mm.
So I still need to work on it on my own bike, and then I want to keep practicing on it, but and make sure I can still do it. But
Yeah.
yeah,
How
that
many
that
bikes
was
do you have? You made it sound like you
right
have.
now just one. No,
Okay.
I've only had one at a time, but um, I change frequently. I guess when I first started, um, uh, I do not go through bikes the way I go through boys or vice versa. For some reason, I felt like that might have been on some people's minds,
No,
but
I saw that you posted like, my 10 bikes I've ridden type thing. And
yeah,
you've had that many bikes?
Oh no,
I
I
was
wish that'd be nice. But no, so my first bike, I had the Suzuki S40 for a year, and then I test rode Kate's bike, which is a Triumph Street Triple R, and thought I gotta upgrade. I need to get this bike, but I'm not a sport bike girl, so
yeah.
let me get something else. And I got a Triumph Bonneville, and then I was struggling with the top,
Mm.
how it was top heavy. So then that whole year that I had the Triumph Bonneville, I just test rode as many bikes as I could, and then eventually went back to the Triumph Street Triple R and said, "Okay, fine. I guess I am a sport bike girl."
That takes a lot of dedication to go from a bike that maybe you don't like to keep trying to find the bike. So you really got that bug. You got that motorcycling bug. You're like, I'm gonna find something.
Hey, I did. It's so addicting. I can't stop.
Yeah, that's
um,
cool. That's really cool.